Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. If you have a kidney disease, you need to follow a special diet. However, you can still eat numerous healthy vegetables, fruits, protein and oil. So here are the list of best foods for people with kidney disease. Cauliflower. It is a nutritious vegetable that is a good source of many nutrients including vitamin C, A and B. It is also full of anti-inflammatory compounds like indoles and is an excellent source of fiber. Plus, mashed cauliflower can be used in place of potatoes for a low sodium side dish. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with nutrients and contain antioxidants called anthocyanins, which may protect against heart disease, certain cancers, cognitive decline, and diabetes. They also make a fantastic addition to a kidney friendly diet as they are low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium. Red grapes. They are high in vitamin C and contain antioxidants called flavonoids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation. Additionally, they are high in resveratrol, a type of flavonoid which is beneficial for heart health and protect against diabetes and kidney disease. Egg whites. Egg whites provide a high quality, kidney friendly source of protein. Plus, they are an excellent choice for people undergoing dialysis treatment who have higher protein needs but need to limit phosphorus. Garlic. People with kidney disease are advised to limit the amount of sodium in their diet, including added salt. Garlic provides a delicious alternative to salt and is a good source of manganese, vitamin C, and B6 and contains sulfur compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil. It is a healthy source of fat and phosphorus free, making it a great option for people with kidney disease. Majority of fat in olive oil is a monounsaturated fat called oleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Cabbage. It is great source of vitamin C, K and B. Cabbage is an excellent source of fiber. Plus, it is low in potassium, phosphorus and sodium, thus good for kidney patients. Skinless chicken. Although a limited protein intake is necessary for people with kidney disease, providing the body with an adequate amount of high quality protein is vital for health. Skinless chicken breast contains less phosphorus, potassium and sodium than skin on chicken. Bell peppers. They are loaded with powerful antioxidant vitamin C and also contain vitamin A, an important nutrient for immune function, which is often compromised in people with kidney disease. Onions. They are excellent for providing sodium-free flavors to renal diet dishes. Moreover, onions are high in vitamin C and B, manganese, and contain prebiotic fibers that keep your digestive system healthy. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.